हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज के टॉपिक में बात करते हैं हम क्लेवी पेक्टोरल फेसिया। क्ले मीन्स अटैच टू द क्लेविकल, lies in the pectoral region and is the strong fascia. So the clay pectoral fascia lying deep to the pectoralis major muscles, it fills the space between the clavicle and the pectoralis minor muscles. So you can see in this diagram. So this is the clavicle. In the clavicle, this is the soft clavian groove, and this is the clavicle. So this is the soft clavian groove. So this is the posterior border of the soft clavian groove, and this is the anterior border of the soft clavian groove, or anterior margin and the posterior margin of the soft clavian groove. So clavic pectoral fascia attached to the margin of the soft clavian groove, and inferiorly it is continuous with the axillary fascia. So superiorly it is split to enclose the soft clavius muscles. So superiorly it enclosed to soft clavius muscle. So this is the soft clavius muscles. This is the soft clavius muscles. Again inferiorly continue downwards and split to enclose the another small muscle of the pectoral region, that is the pectoralis minor muscles, and inferiorly it is continue with the axillary fascia. So enclose the pectoralis minor muscles. So this is the pectoralis minor muscles, and below to the pectoralis minor muscles, this clay pectoral fascia is known as a suspensory ligament. So this is the form of suspensory ligament, and this is the pectoralis minor muscle. So this is the anterior part of the clavicle, or the medial part of the clavicle. So the medial part, anterior surface, there is attachment of pectoralis major muscles. So this is the pectoralis major muscles. So deep to the pectoralis major muscles, this clavipectoral fascia is lying. Okay. So this is the pectoralis major muscles. Pectoralis major muscles, and the pectoralis major muscles anteriorly it is covered with the pectoral fascia. So this is the pectoral fascia, which is continued as a anterior boundary of the axilla, or the anterior fascia of the axilla, and continue in the base, that is the axillary fascia, and it forms the dome of the axillary fascia. So this dome of the axillary fascia is suspended by the suspensory ligament, so it pulls upward. So the base of the axilla is pulling upward by this suspensory ligament of the clavipectoral fascia. So this is all about the clavipectoral fascia. So this is the axillary ligament or axillary fascia. You can say this is the pectoral fascia, and the posterior lamina of the clavipectoral fascia is continue upward with the investing layer of deep cervical fascia. Okay, and this clavipectoral fascia is pierced by the fourth component, that is also known as a one nerve, that is a lateral pectoral nerve, which is branched from the lateral cord. So lateral pectoral nerve. Second one is the artery, that is a thoracoacromial artery, and third is that is a lymphatic from the breast. Okay, so lymphatic from the breast, that is the axillary lymph nodes. Okay, so that is the lymphatic from the breast, and fourth is the cephalic vein. So this fascia is pierced by the four component, that is the lateral pectoral nerve, thoracoacromial artery, cephalic vein, and lymphatic from the breast. So this is all about the clavipectoral fascia.